Hi everyone, today we are creating a pivot table and pivot chart. As you can see, it is already given in your book, okay? And first we'll talk about what is pivot table. A pivot table is a table of grouped values that aggregates the individual items of a more extensive table, or if you want to say in simple words, so you can say here this is summary might include sum, averages, or other statistics which the pivot table groups together. Okay, so you can simply say that. Now, as you can see there, I already have this table, okay, from your book. So first we need to create this table in Microsoft Excel workbook. Okay, so I already open it, as you can see here. Now I need to create this table here. So let's start with begin. The first heading is sports activities. So I will write in this cell sport activities. Now after that we need to create name, then sports, then fees. So I will write my own, okay, like my own names like Amir, Ali, Yusuf, Johanna, okay, and so on. So you can copy it, these things same as it is, okay. I'll do it here. How many names we need to write it here, you can counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, but here I need to write name. So headings name, then sports, then fees in dollars. Now you can see here my columns are very small, so I need to increase the size of these columns. So I need to select these three columns from A to C. Okay, so when you will see here my cursor is on the letter A, I need to select these three letters, okay, or these three columns, and when you will see that sign both side arrows, you can click your mouse from the left side and click and drag as you like. So my column size are increased right now. One more thing, I need to make one cell instead of three cell in first row, okay, because it is my heading for this table. So select these three cells, okay, like that, okay, and you can see here there is an option merge and center. If you click here, then it become a one cell. Now look at here. Now again look at your exercise or look at your table. You need to change these colors, okay, for the font of this text, and you need to fill this color. So first I need to fill color from here. I'll fill this one, or you can, it's look better than that one. And the font color of this text, make it white and little bit bigger. If I'll give it to you the font size there, so you can choose it that one, otherwise you can use it as your requirements. I will take it 16 and I'll select these three cells and make it bold, then it's look better than the previous thing, okay. And how many names I need to write? 8. I already wrote it there. Now I need to write the sports name: cricket, badminton, table tennis. Okay, cricket, I think table tennis, badminton, sorry. Then table tennis, then cricket again, then badminton, then football, then cricket, and here you need to write Sohail last name. Now the fees for that: 5,000, 4,000, 3,000. Now for badminton: 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5,000, and last two are there, 6 and 3, 6,000 and 3,000. So I already create this. Now select all and make a border here from the font. Okay, bottom border, but I need to choose all the borders, then it become a table for me. Now what should I do? I need to create pivot table and pivot chart by this table. So what should I do? I need to select this table from the name, okay, until here 3000. Now if I will go to the insert button here from the menu, so you can see here there is an option pivot table. If you click on it, so you can choose it from here from table range. I already selected here. Now I need to choose it new worksheet. Okay, then click on OK. Now you can see here there are some options in the pivot table fields at the right side. Now you need to choose these fields. Okay, if I'll give it to the name of these fields, you need to choose, so you can choose it as your requirements, otherwise you can choose it all. Okay, now this is my pivot table done. Now go to again sheet 1. Now I need to create pivot chart. Same thing, go to the insert button and you can see here in the charts there is an option here pivot chart. Click on it and click on pivot chart. Now same thing again, I already selected my table range. Okay, then choose it new worksheet and click on OK. Now same thing here as I told you in the pivot table. Now it's created. Look at that. Right now I have pivot table and pivot chart with together. So it's done. If you like my videos, please like, and if you have any question you can ask me on comment section. Goodbye, see you later.